Moving on, viewers, the 5-day budget session of the newly elected BJP government begins today. The budget session is expected to focus on cleaning Yamuna, tackling pollution and also improving the health and education sectors. Meanwhile, Delhi's leader of opposition Atishi has criticized Chief Minister Rekha Gupta for not presenting the economic survey ahead of the budget. Take a look.
Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta is set to present the state budget in the Legislative Assembly today. However, leader of opposition Atishi has slammed the CM for failing to present the economic survey ahead of the budget.
कुछ सालों के इकोनॉमिक सर्वे उठा के देखेंगे तो उसमें दिल्ली की अर्थव्यवस्था के सारे आंकड़े मौजूद हैं। ये बहुत अचंभे की बात है कि बिना इकोनॉमिक सर्वे के दिल्ली का बजट कैसे बन गया है। क्यों भारतीय जनता पार्टी की दिल्ली सरकार इकोनॉमिक सर्वे नहीं लेके आ रही है? अगर इकोनॉमिक सर्वे नहीं आया तो सरकार ने बजट कैसे बना दिया? आज तो ये सवाल उठ रहा है कि क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी को सरकार चलानी आती है? क्या उनको बजट बनाना आता है?
Atishi also questioned how the government could prepare a budget without a detailed financial review. The Delhi Budget 2025 is expected to prioritize infrastructural development, Yamuna cleaning and pollution control. The budget is also likely to include financial provisions for Rs 2,500 monthly allowance for women. A general discussion on the budget is scheduled for Wednesday to analyze financial allocations and policy initiatives. The Delhi Assembly's deliberation on the budget will be pivotal in addressing the concerns raised and shaping the city's future policies.
Viewers, a shocking incident has come to light from Telangana involving a 23-year-old woman's attempt to escape an alleged rape, after jumping off the coach of a moving train, and the incident has drawn widespread condemnation with the promise of swift action against the accused. Take a look.
A 23-year-old woman jumped from the coach of a moving train to escape an alleged bid of a rape attempt in Telangana. The victim alleged that a 25-year-old man sought sexual favors from her while she was alone in the coach on March 22.